First of all, this is an amazing event that you guys are going to put on, the connecting the dots, hip hop and health. Uh, for people who don't know about it, what exactly is this event going to be about?
Well, we connecting the dots. We bringing hip hop and health together. For the people that don't know, I was diagnosed with end-stage renal failure September 15th of 2015. I was on dialysis from September 5th all the way to February 5th, September 15th all the way to February 5th, 2019, when I received my gift of life. I received my new kidney, and instead of hiding what I was going through from the world, we decided to stand in front of it. I started my own foundation, Freedom Thinkers Academy, which is music, health, education, and culture. And I work with OneLegacy, and our goal is to spread awareness about kidney health. This is Kidney Disease Awareness Month, and it's the first day of it, so we kicking it off with a big kick. And we just want to encourage the people and let them know that it's very important, to take care of yourself, keep up with your routine physicals, and being an organ donor will not send you to the graveyard. People think if they have organ donor on their license, if something happens to them, that the doctors is not going to save them, and that's a huge myth that is not true. Like,
Mhm.
a doctor's number one priority is to save whoever the person is that's in trouble.
Definitely. Uh, it seems like it's been a very long journey for you with kidney health. What have you learned from this experience?
Man, I learned so much. I learned first and foremost to take care of yourself, keep up with your routine physicals. It's very important that a person should get blood work done at least once a year because your blood work is the only thing that can let you know what's going on in your body. When I walked into the hospital that day, they were calling me the lucky star. Like people was coming in my room, like you walked in here. They couldn't believe I walked in here because my numbers were so high, because I was neglecting taking care of myself and getting my blood work done.
With so much that you've gone through, how has this affected your career?
Well, when I got put on dialysis, it really, affected my career because in the first couple months, I couldn't even work, because I had to do dialysis 3 times a week, 4 hours a day. So, once I got used to doing that, then I was able to work a little bit. But, once I got the transplant in 2019, I got my career back and was able to move forward. And, we added this advocacy work to my career because I'm very passionate about it because I was running around with three of the leading risk factors for kidney failure, one being hypertension,
Mhm.
another one being diabetes, and surprisingly, just being African American is a risk factor. So I had three risk factors for kidney failure. I had examples in my family, and I was still unaware that it could happen to me. So one of my main missions right now is to spread awareness.
Wow. And what is one thing that you would have, looking back, that you would want people to keep, an eye out for, something that you learned that you wish you would have known beforehand?
I mean, just your body will let you know what's going on. Like, just pay attention to the signs. And like I said, make sure you go to that doctor, get that physical, get that blood work done at least once a year because your blood work is the only thing that can really let you know what's going on in your body. That's very important. I can't say it too many times.
Connecting the dots, what exactly will we be, going into when we attend this event?
Oh man, it's going to be an amazing panel with myself and two other people that have been through what I've been through. That had kidney transplants. And we're going to share our story and we're going to offer advice. We're going to offer information for everybody that comes out.
Since you are a kidney transplant recipient, how has your life, personal life changed because of this transplant?
It changed tremendously. I'm able to do things that I couldn't do for 4 years when I was on dialysis. I'm able to travel the world. I'm able to tour, freely. I'm able to do so many things that I couldn't do when I was on dialysis. And it changed my life in the perspective of being more aware of what I put into my bodies and the steps that I need to take care of myself.
Definitely. And people of color are usually the one of the most people that are affected by health issues. How important is it to not only advocate for yourself when it comes to health, but help your community, especially if you live in a community of people of color?
Yeah, it's very important. That's one of the main reasons why I started Freedom Thinkers Academy, like I was telling you, which is music, health, education, and culture. And besides spreading awareness with health, We have some workforce development programs. We have phlebotomy. We have medical billing and coding. We have music engineering, audio visual engineering 101. And we've been graduating students left and right. At the end of the year last year, we graduated 13 phlebotomy students. And before the day they graduated, all 13 of them had jobs. So that's another way of giving back to the community and trying to empower the people.
Definitely. Well, thank you very much for your time. This is an amazing event. I hope a lot of people go out and attend. Can you give the information to for this event?
Yeah, most definitely. It's going down at the Crenshaw Mall. And listen, y'all want to get there early. I want to get there on time. It's going to be amazing. And if I'm feeling good, I might do an amazing performance at the end of the program. So make sure everybody come out. It's going to be lit.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. Enjoy yourself. Have a good day.